In this video, we will show a walkthrough of the process of creating and submitting a planning application on the planning portal. Let's start. Go to planningportal.co.uk. Head to the login, which is on the top right of the homepage. Enter your login details, or if you are a new user, go to the register an account. In 5 easy steps, you will be set up and ready to go. To create a new application, make sure you read the help text. Give your application a name. We recommend using a name that clearly identifies the proposal to you, such as the application site address. Example, 123 High Street. Next step, enter your site postcode. If you don't know your postcode, you can enter your Easting and Northings by using the UK Finder website. Help text is provided throughout the process and there to guide you in understanding what's required. Click Find Address. Select your address from the drop-down list. If your address does not appear, use the UK Finder website to find your Easting and Northing. Click Continue. Select your application type. Please use the help guide, Need help selecting your application type, if unsure. In this case, we're going to go for a householder planning permission, which is used for all common types of development around the home. Click Continue. You have reached the location site boundary page. Click Draw Site Boundary. The guidance is here to help you through the process of creating your location plan. Use the tools on the left to create your plan. Auto Boundary Selection highlights the boundary area around your site. There is a help button on the left to guide you through this process. Make sure to check your location plan and click Finish Drawing. Check your answers. You have application name, site location, application type, and site boundary. You cannot edit these sections, apart from the location plan, after you have created this application. Are these correct? If so, click Create Application. Once you have created your application, it will save a draft application in your account. This allows you to work on your application and compile all the necessary information prior to the completion and submission to your local planning authority. Now we are on the application page. We need to finish the location plan. Click Create Site Boundary and Location Plan. Click Review Location Plan. Reading the guidance provided, does your location plan meet these recommendations? Click Yes if you're happy, then click Continue. After reading the declaration, click To Accept. And don't forget you can edit your location plan at any time before submission. Now, return to the application overview. It's now time to look at your application questions. You'll be guided through the form and your responses will be saved at each point. You will not be able to progress unless all of the mandatory sections are completed. For example, let's go to Materials. Depending on your answers, you may need to provide further information and the service will guide you. As mentioned, all your answers and information will be saved at each point. You can always return to the form anytime, adding additional information to answers as you go. Now go to Add Plans and Documents. You can see the minimum requirements of documents for this application type and description. It is important that you ensure you read the local level document requirements, also known as the Local Authority Validation List. This will ensure you provide all the required documentation and information. To upload and attach information, you can drag, drop, or browse directly from your files using the Add Supporting Documents box on the right-hand side. Then select a document type that accurately reflects the contents of the document or information being attached. You may have to add a description if asked. Then click Upload Files. You can edit, delete, and add documents as you go throughout your application. This will be saved throughout the process. Now head back to your application page. Let's calculate your fee. Your fee for this application will automatically be calculated based upon set government planning fees. Click Finish and Close unless any reductions or exemptions are applied. Please read the help text if you require more information or troubleshooting. Once all sections are complete, You can then submit your application by clicking Pay and Submit. Please make sure you have answered all questions, uploaded all documents, and are paying the correct fee. If you need help with your planning application, please contact your local planning authority or our help desk for any technical support. Contact details are available under the header Help and Support. Click Sign and Date Declaration. Ensure you read and understand the statement. When ready and everything is completed, click Pay and Submit. Select to either pay the fee yourself or nominate a third party. Depending on what you select, the site will guide you through the payment process. You'll be given a variety of payment options, including credit, debit card, telephone payment, BACS, faster payment, and cheque. You'll be sent notification emails letting you know when your application has been paid and submitted to your local planning authority, and will receive an invoice receipt. You will also receive email notification once a local planning authority has received your application. You can see in your planning portal account when the application has been submitted and transferred to the local authority. Good luck with your planning application!